Hi guys, today we're going to be making a stop motion video using an object. We're going to move the object a teeny bit at a time and take a picture each time. After a while, we will have many pictures of this object moving, and then we will run these pictures in a row together to make a stop motion movie. Join me. Hey guys, so you are going to be exploring stop motion today. This is the way the stop motion app looks. So when you open it up, it's going to look like this. You're going to click on New Movie. Now you're going to find a place to prop your video. So I have a movie I want to make with this little snowman I made, and you can pick any object that you want. You can pick a toy, a car, a set of marbles, some markers. It doesn't matter. Just some object that you want to work with. And the most important part that you cannot forget is that you have to prop your iPad or your phone or your device somewhere where it won't move. So here I have it propped on my coffee mug, and I have to be very careful when I press the button that I'm not going to move it. So if you think you're going to move it, find something stronger to prop it on, and just be mindful of that. Okay, so just some basic rules. You're going to be exploring stop motion with an object. So here I have my little snowman. I'm going to start by just taking a photo of my snowman, and then I'm going to move it. Left here, there's this thing called onion skin, and if you move it, you can see a little bit of where your object was in the past. So I like to keep it just a little bit below the 5, because otherwise it's a little confusing. So it shows you where your snowman was, and that difference needs to be very small, or where your object was. So when you move it, you'll notice a tiny bit of leftover skin, and the reason they call it onion skin is because onion skin is very light. It's almost too light. I'm going to make it a teeny bit darker. There. And you see how it's like these little shadows that it leaves behind. So you see. Now if that change were too big, the movement would be too abrupt, and your movie is not going to be as successful. So I'm going to just keep moving it and keep moving it in tiny little increments. And now I'm going to make him twirl around. And of course, you're not going to do it all at once. You're going to do it in little tiny little parts. And I am pressing the red button each time. Now I'm going to make him do the cha-cha. Now I'm going to make him go side to side. Alright, now I have 33 photos. Okay, so now I'm going to press play, and you will see my movie. Great, that's great. Now if you go under settings, which is this little gears at the bottom here, you can change certain things about it. For example, your speed. Now if you go to 1, it's going to go super slow. If you go to 8, 7, it's going to be much faster. Let's see. Let's try 7. See how much faster it is? So now I'm going to go back to there and go to 1, and you will see the difference. It's much more fragmented. All right. Again, we can add to this. I want you to play around with this and see what you can do. And once you're done, you can share it with me. I'm going to show you how to share your video with me. You're going to click on this left arrow, it's going to take you to all your videos. You're going to press select. You're going to select the video you want to share with me. You're going to go and press the share icon, and you're going to export your movie to your album. Click on save video, and there your video will be saved in your photo album. So now when you go to your photo album, there is your video. So I hope you had fun, and I hope this has sparked many ideas of how you can use stop motion in your own art. As always, the option here is not to copy exactly what I did, but to be inspired to make your own art in your own way using your own materials. So what can you do? Let's say you have a bunch of Legos at home, you could use Legos. Let's say you have a favorite toy and you've always wanted to make a movie about this toy. There, you can use your toy instead. You can use other objects, not even animate type objects. You can use marbles, maybe crayons, you can use sand, you can use clay. There are just so many different ways that you can go with this. So I want you to just start really simple and then let the ideas come to you, and I want you to follow those ideas and see where they take you. And please don't forget to share with me. I love seeing everyone's artwork.